What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to open up a LLC in the state of Colorado. And I'm also going to show you how to get your EIN. Your EIN is your employer identification number. This is what you're going to need to open up a business bank account with any bank you want and to also hire employees under your business. So if you're interested in doing all that today, hit the link down below and follow along with me as I go on my laptop. I'm going to show you the whole process, and by the time if you follow along with me, by the time at the end of this video you'll have your LLC processed. All right, now let's hop onto my laptop and we can work out this whole LLC. So once you click the link down in the description, it's going to bring you to this website, and we're going to be breaking our LLC through Tailored Brands. I've done plenty of my LLCs on their Tailored Brands and I've never had an issue. And I've had friends and family always tell me how I do it, and I do it through here. Never had an issue, seamless process, and it's always been good. So I recommend it. And now we're going to be get started. We're going to pick Colorado and get started. Okay, here now we're going to put our business name. This is what our LLC is going to be on there. So let's put the name. And then it was available. Great, perfect. Next. Okay, so Tailored Brands is gonna be asking us a few questions. Don't worry if you don't know the answer to them right away. Anything here does not affect the processing of your LLC at all. So don't dwell on a question, thinking about it so much. Anything will be changed at the end, don't worry. So let's get back to it. So it's asking us what stage are we in. I'm just gonna say already in business. And then it's gonna be asking us what industry are we in. So I sell on Amazon. So let me put Amazon. As you can see, I put AM, a bunch of categories: amusement, arcades, theme parks. They're gonna have your industry in this, so don't worry. So Amazon sales, and then I put I sell physical goods. Next, they're asking if we're going to hire any employees in the upcoming year. I'm going to put I'm not sure. I don't have any. They're asking our annual income goal. Less than $80,000, more than $80,000, and I don't know. I'm going to put I don't know. And then they're asking for a postal code if you want to put one in. I'm gonna put online and do e-commerce. And then you'll see here that not only does Tailored Brands offer LLC, but they also offer, if you wanted to make a logo, a website, a domain for that website, taxing and accounting, licensing and permits, EIN. I'm gonna show you that also just now. Sales, tax permit, trademark, insurance for your business. It's everything. It's a one-stop shop for your business. And if you ever want to come and do any of that stuff, you could do it. So we're just going to be getting our LLC. And then let's go next. This is going to be a checklist. We don't really need to do this. You don't need to do that. Next. How do you discover Tailored Brands? If you're watching this video, it's going to be through YouTube. Next, here is they're offering a 12-week coaching program. If you're interested in doing it, it's free. I don't need to do it. I'll put no thanks. And then here we're gonna put our email information. This is gonna be basically making us an account with Tailored Brands. So let's put our information. Okay, once we put our information, next page is gonna be coming up and showing us about the EIN. Exactly what I told you it is to open a business bank account and to hire employees under your business. I'm gonna show you at the end if you are interested in doing it. I'll handle it myself, and we can add it on at the end to have a nice cleaner look what we're actually getting. Okay. Next, they're talking about a registered agent as required in the state of Colorado. So what is a registered agent? This is basically going to be who's going to be receiving all the documents and paperwork from the state regarding to the LLC. So if you live in the state of Colorado, you will appoint yourself as the agent who's going to be receiving all that paperwork. So you will provide your address in which you want all that paperwork to go to. If you do not live in the state of Colorado and trying to form an LLC there, you will need to find an agent within that state, whether it be a relative you want to have it under, or Tailored Brands does provide that service for you, in which they'll have an address for the paperwork to go there. So since we're going to be saying we live there, I'm going to appoint a different registered agent, and that agent is going to be yourself. So next is annual compliance. So every year you have to renew your LLC. It's going to be the same price in which you have to do the state filing fee. It's the same amount of money. So if you want to have Tailored Brands be on top of that for you, you can do it as they provide as a service, or you could do it yourself, which is super simple as well. It is literally the state is going to be sending paperwork to your address, your agent, and it'll tell you have to renew your LLC. It'll show you a step-by-step process and how to do it. It's basically like paying a bill. You'll go to a website and then pay the fee you have to pay. It's super simple. Don't think of it as it's a hard, complicated process. So if you want to do it, I'll handle the compliance myself. Next here, they're offering a toolkit for branding. We don't need this. Here is another offer they do. If you want to do expedited, they offer you want to do it within 2 days. So you have the process done within 2 days and your LLC already established. Or you can do the 14 days or 2 weeks. So I'm going to say the 14 days, 2 weeks. The operating agreement, this would be done in the end. This is going to be the ownership structure. You will put yourself on the LLC. So this will be done at the end after checkout. Okay, next is they're offering, if you want to do tax paperwork with them, they do legal documents all tailored towards your business if you're interested in doing that. We don't need this right now, but if you're always interested, we did make an account and you always can come back and do it. Here is, they're saying if you want to get notified, it's always great to get notified on the process, so just get notified. And this is nearly at the end. Really offering the 3 tiers, the light, which they'll just give you your LLC, and then they're offering 2 things. Here's the business coaching. Next is, and also the 30-day invoicing and bookkeeping for you. Here at the bottom is the state filing fee for Colorado, which is $50. This is cheap. I think this is the cheapest I've seen. Next is the essential, which they are offering the LLC. You're also getting the legal compliance, so they're renewing it for you, to the expedited. And then they have the elite, which is everything in the essential, plus a domain and a website. If you're interested in doing that, if you need it for your business, go for it. We're just going here for our light, which is going to be our LLC. Okay, here's basically the ending. As we can see here, this is the state filing fee. It's $50. We're going to click more, show more. Here, if you wanted to add in your 2-day expedited filing, you can add it quick, seamless right here, which will be another $50. If you don't want to do that, that's good, that's fine. But I do recommend getting your EIN. The EIN will be $99 to do. So if you were interested in doing your EIN today, you only pay the $50. This is because your LLC has to be established before you can do your EIN. So whether you're doing the 2 days or you're doing the 14 days, after it's done, Tailored Brands will then take care of your EIN for you for the fee. Let's say we're gonna keep that there, continue the payment, and that's about it. Here you choose your payment method, you'll pay. I can't pay it, I get charged. And then after that, you'll get 1 or 2 more forms you're filling out, whether it be your filling out your address and who's going to be under the LLC. It's super simple, but as you can see, we finished this whole process within 5 to 10 minutes. Super fast and simple. It's not hard and complicated. That's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe. Any questions, leave them down in the comments. Also, if you found it helpful to let other people know, leave them down in the comments as well. Hopefully you follow along and you had your LLC processing right now as we're speaking. I wish you all the best in your business ventures. Peace out.